Think you know everything about iOS 18.4? Think again. Apple's latest update comes packed with 20 game-changing features you can't afford to miss. Let's dive in. Visual intelligence. Instantly access detailed information about anything around you with just a click. From landmarks to objects. Image playground. Transform your wildest, most creative ideas into stunning, high-quality visuals with just a few simple clicks. Whether you're an artist, designer, business owner, or simply someone with a passion for creating, this powerful tool empowers you to bring any concept to life. From generating unique logos, detailed artwork, and product designs to transforming abstract ideas into tangible images, Image Playground is designed to fuel your creativity at every turn. With a range of intuitive, user-friendly tools, it makes the entire process of visual creation smooth and effortless, allowing you to craft intricate visuals that reflect your vision exactly as you imagine it. Whether you're designing for personal projects, marketing, or professional work, Image Playground is the ultimate platform for bringing your ideas into full, vibrant, and visually engaging life. New Siri Animation, a smoother, livelier Siri experience. ChatGPT integration. Seamlessly tap into the power of AI with integrated, AI-powered conversations at your fingertips. Whether you're seeking instant answers, brainstorming ideas, or simply engaging in rich, meaningful dialogues, this feature connects you to the capabilities of cutting-edge artificial intelligence like never before. With ChatGPT integration, you can have real-time, intelligent conversations directly within your apps and services, enhancing your productivity and providing you with insightful responses on demand. Call recording, now available on all iOS 18 devices, giving you the ability to record calls effortlessly and securely, whether for business purposes or personal use.
So here it is. This is the new pink iPhone 16. Just take a nice close little look. See the beautiful pink color. Now, one of the things that I'm really excited to show you guys is the camera control button. So it's right here on the side. And with this is going to give us the ability to not only take a photo, but actually access camera controls. And I can take a photo by pressing it. And then you can actually just scroll right here to zoom.
Camera control will also open camera. So if you kind of did like little...
I'm just so used to going and searching the camera. Wait.
So give it a try, right? There you go.
The main feature. That saves me like 0.3 seconds.
There you go.
This is game changing, especially for us as content creators.
In Mail, it'll be easy to quickly survey your inbox. Instead of seeing the first couple lines of your emails, you'll see summaries that convey the most useful information. Determine what's most urgent and surface it right at the top, like a dinner invite for tonight or a boarding pass for your trip this afternoon. And if you jump into a particularly long email when you're in a hurry, you can tap to reveal a summary at the top of the email and cut right to the chase. When you need to RSVP to an event, you will now see suggestions for your response based on the email. If you say you'll be there, Mail identifies questions you were asked in the invite and offers intelligent selections, so you can quickly choose your responses. Your drafted response incorporates your answers. So with just a few taps, you're ready to send it off with all the right details. We're deeply integrating them into iOS, making them accessible virtually everywhere you type. So you'll be able to rewrite hastily written notes into a polished dinner party invite. Adjust the tone of that Slack message to your boss to sound a little more professional. Or proofread your latest review on Goodreads before posting it to your fellow bookworms. Smart AI Calculator. Solve complex equations with ease, thanks to advanced AI technology that takes the guesswork out of mathematics. Whether you're working with algebra, calculus, trigonometry, or statistical problems, this powerful calculator can handle it all, delivering accurate results in seconds. With an intuitive interface, it not only solves equations but also offers step-by-step explanations. Link two iPhones to send cash instantly. With this innovative feature, transferring money between two iPhones has never been easier or faster.
Just click and hold the camera control and point your iPhone. With just a click, boom! Your iPhone instantly pulls up restaurant hours, ratings, and quick options to check out the menu or make a reservation. And you can learn more with just a tap. Awesome! And say you come across a flyer for an interesting event. Just click, and you can add it to your calendar. Details about the event title, time and date, and location are automatically entered for you. And then there's that cute little puppy you see at the park. What kind of dog is that? Click, and now you know.
iOS 18 includes Messages Viaduct Satellite, building upon our amazing satellite capabilities. You can send and receive messages and tap back to stay connected with your friends and loved ones while enjoying that hike off the grid. Censoring a face. Automatically blur faces for enhanced privacy and security, and clean up. Effortlessly remove unwanted background objects while preserving the integrity of your photo. Whether you're dealing with distractions like people, trash, or clutter in your image. App Notes. Experience the next level of note management with iOS 18's App Notes, featuring smart folders, enhanced search capabilities, and seamless syncing across all your devices. Smart folders automatically categorize your notes based on context, making it easier than ever to organize your thoughts, projects, and ideas, whether you're jotting down meeting notes or creating to-do lists. Emoji Characters. iOS 18 introduces a set of emojis. CarPlay Home Screen. iOS 18 introduces CarPlay Home Screen. New Sketch Style. iOS 18.4 brand new sketch style to image. Ambient Music. iOS 18 introduces a soothing feature. New Food Hub in Apple News Plus. Access thousands of recipes and restaurant features. Ready to explore the latest iOS features? Hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and share your favorite new feature in the comments below.